Blast me to Endor! It's time for the Mad Merlins unboxing of Star Wars Legion Imperial Deathtroopers by Fantasy Flight and Atomic Mass Games. Hello and welcome back to another Star Wars Legion unboxing. Today we're going to go through the Imperial Deathtroopers expansion for Star Wars Legion. So the Deathtroopers are the elite of the elite and are often the bodyguards for high-ranking Imperial officers. So the elite guards of the Tarkin Initiative, Imperial Death Trooper candidates are hand-selected from the Stormtrooper Corps by Imperial intelligence, trained to be ruthless, efficient, and merciless. They are also rumoured to undergo classified medical augmentation procedures. So this is a expansion for Star Wars Legion, and we can see it includes 6 models, 8 upgrade cards, a unit card, 8 tokens, and a rule sheet. So I've been after this squad for ages. I did have the instructions for them in the second core set I brought, but I have yet to get them. So, open her up and see what's inside. Shake it out. There we go. So, we've got our rule sheet, excuse me, our cardstock components, and our different troopers. So, Trooper 1, Trooper 2, Trooper 3, who is one of the heavy troopers, and Trooper 4, and our kneeling trooper. Oh, and our last trooper there. And of course we got a bag of 27mm bases. So, let's go vertical and have a close look at all the components and also all that lovely card components. So we'll take a look at the rule sheets first and instructions. As we can see, we've got all our different troopers. We've got our commander there. We got Death Trooper there. There's our leader, sorry. So we have one of our special weapons there, the DT-F16. Got a Death Trooper there, Death Trooper throwing grenade, and we have a DLT-19 Zero Trooper there. So our components are 6 Death Trooper models with bases, 1 order token, 3 suppression tokens, 1 aim token, 1 dodge, 1 panic, 1 standby, 1 unit card, 8 upgrades, including the E11D grenade launcher configuration and the E11D focus fire configuration card, the DTF-16, the DLT-19D, the Overwatch upgrade, duck and cover, comms relay, fragmentation grenades, and environmental gear. On the back we got a few rules. So we got a wound threshold and a dual-sided card. So let's just have a quick look at all our different troopers. So this is our pistol trooper. So we got a specialized pistol there, but we have his regular gun just slung over the back. So there we have our trooper. Some rather fragile components on these guys, so you have to take a little bit extra care, I think, when building and painting these. They are definitely thinner than the Stormtroopers in the core set. We got just a regular trooper here, who's taking aim and advancing forward. Rather nice there. Come on, open up. Don't fight me. There we go. And again, just another basic trooper taking aim and advancing. So there's some pretty aggressive poses to these guys, which is quite nice. It really shows them as the special forces that they are. So what's this guy? This guy is our DLT-19D. So we got a separate component there for the lower arm, the left arm. And he's just holding his blaster in a low carry, like so. And he's got his side pistol as well, just detailed in there. So nice little detail all over these guys. Be quite nice to paint up. Although they are all a generic dark armor, so I'm gonna have to find a few different colours of greys and blacks, just so it doesn't all blend together. I think what I might do is paint them similar to how I painted up one of my test Black Templar models, where I used a light black for the actual armour and everything, and then did a wash with a darker black in the recesses just to help all the armour panels stand out. This is our kneeling and grenade throwing trooper. So there's his little fragmentation grenade. So that'll be quite nice. It's always good to have some different poses in your squads, just helps stop them looking all the same, really. And finally, we got our sergeant here. So, again, he's advancing forwards, but he's got his gun held in a single arm pose, and he's giving his squad a sort of form up gesture. There you go. Very intimidating. Okay then, card components and then my final thoughts. So we've got all our different tokens here. Nothing that we haven't already seen before. So we got our panic, our suppression, aim and dodge, our standby, and of course our unit token. So here's our unit card. So we got a good lot of upgrades here. So they all have an SE-14R light blaster. They all have the E-11D blaster rifle. And they are all experts at close quarters combat. So they can take a heavy trooper, a veteran upgrade, a communications device, a gear, a pistol, and of course a grenade. So these guys, as you'd expect, are tooled up to the brim with awesome special rules. So you've got disciplined. So when you're ordered a token, you remove a suppression token. You get precise 2, so you get 2 additional dice to reroll when you reroll with an aim token. And when you perform a standby action, you also gain an aim token with ready 1. Okay, so we've got the E11D focused fire configuration. So this is Imperial Deathtroopers only. So range 1 to 4, and also when you recover, you can reconfigure this into the grenade option, which is here. We got our DTF-16 Trooper. So you gain Compel, and you also become the unit's leader. So obviously this is a name rather than an actual upgrade weapon. Then we have our DLT-19D Trooper. So much like the DLT-19D on our regular Stormtroopers. Better range, better damage output. Then we have our Overwatch, Duck and Cover, Comms Relay, Fragmentation Grenade, and Environmental Gear. So nice lot of upgrades. Some spare ones to put into your other units if you'd like. But some really good suitable ones for the unit itself. Okay, I'll bring everything in and we'll get my final thoughts. So that's the unboxing for the Star Wars Legion Deathtroopers by Fantasy Flight Games. And I think it feels a little underwhelming because you don't get that much stuff, but then you must remember these guys are a highly specialised unit on the Table Force. On tabletop even, not Table Force. So they are pretty good already without the need for any upgrades or special tokens that they need. The models are great, they have some amazing detail and nice pose, perfect for a special forces unit such as the Deathtroopers. Can't wait to get these guys painted up and run them alongside Krennic, who of course gains a benefit of these guys being his elite bodyguard. So, price-wise, these guys are $29.99 RRP. I got these in my May 4th bundle, but if you check Curtain Games, they have them for $22.49 and they have a few still in stock. These have been highly sought after since their release, and it's nice to finally add them to my collection. So that is everything, I think. I'd like to thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, there's my affiliate links and my social medias in the description down below. And of course, my Buy Me a Coffee link if you'd like to donate anything towards helping the channel. So, I will see you next time for some more mad content. Goodbye.